In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add device in TeamViewer. If you want quick, reliable access to your computer from anywhere, the first thing to do is add that computer to your TeamViewer account. This lets you manage it, see its status, and connect without having to re-enter details every time. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're signed into your TeamViewer account on the device you want to add. If you're not signed in, TeamViewer will prompt you to log in before you can continue. Start by opening the TeamViewer application on your computer. If you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to install the latest version to ensure you see the same layout and options and to avoid any permission prompts later. Once the app is open, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Devices. This is your central place to view computers and contacts tied to your account. You'll see a list or grid of devices along with their online status. If devices isn't visible, confirm you're signed in with your account and that the window isn't minimized or in a compact view. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the devices view and look for the Add button. It may appear as a button labeled Add or as a plus icon, depending on your version. If you don't immediately see it, try maximizing the window or scrolling to ensure the header area is fully visible. When you click Add, you'll see options for adding devices. Choose this device. This tells TeamViewer you want to add the computer you're currently using, rather than entering a partner ID for a different machine. It's the simplest way to register the device under your account for easy, unattended access later. Finally, confirm by clicking Add this device. TeamViewer may ask for confirmation or show a brief notice about assigning the device to your account. If any permission dialog appears, approve it so the device can be managed remotely. After a moment, your computer will appear in the devices list, usually with a status indicator showing whether it's online. You can connect to it from another device signed into the same account, and you can organize it into groups or rename it for easier identification later. That's it. You've successfully added your device in TeamViewer, making remote access faster and more dependable whenever you need it. If something doesn't look right, double check that you're signed into the correct account and that your app is up to date. Thanks for watching and happy remote connecting.